example, that data, when you update data in Salesforce.com, it's going to auto-update in our system, our intelligence system, so that when you're sending information or when you're creating those campaigns, you typically would create them out of Salesforce.com, but that data would be there in those accounts. So there's a kind of a seamless integration between the two systems. Yes?
How much can the company that buys or licenses your software, how much can they change the ranking or filtering tools?
Good question.
Or do they have to go back to you and
so the question is, when ranking prospects, there's an algorithm that assigns a rank to companies, and how much can outside people change or edit that? So in our stages of building the product, we're bouncing back and forth a lot on that question. Right now, it's sort of a black box that we've developed that algorithm, and that algorithm says, companies growing, companies spending money, just like we talked about. Future opportunities are matching that ranking up with the companies you sold to before in the past. So analyze all the deals you've sold to and closed, mine out those characteristics. Hey, they're this size, they're in this geographic region, we're working with the director level, and then apply those to the customers that you already have. So that's a feature set that we're looking at in future state. And then also, there's always the opportunity to, if enough customers ask for it and want to pay for it, to let them control the ranking metrics.
And do you use ranking results from one company to improve the algorithm that you might use for another company?
The question is, do we piggyback on other companies' ranking results and utilize them for our own ranking metrics for other companies? The answer is no. So it's a general information play right now. I don't know, I haven't thought much into that yet, of how that would be possible or whether that would be the right thing to do. Yes?
Can you give some background on your company?
Sure. Yeah, so we started the company in September of last year, and the whole goal was to provide data to sales reps so that they could speed up their sales cycles and close more business. And it was really taking a lot of the things that we had learned from selling ourselves and turning them into an automated process. So we hit the ground running and had a working model prototype built in about 60 days. Started putting that in the hands of business customers, and had, before the end of the year, had about 20 companies that were using the tool, and charged our first credit card. That was our goal, to swipe a credit card before the year started. And then this year, we've grown that paid customer number significantly, and are continuing to iterate on the product based on customer feedback and